Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. And guys, today we got another dump. Yesterday I made a video on the BNB coin and I told you guys that if this candle stayed below or above this area, then we would be going to the upward direction. But if this in the case if this candle fails, let me show you with the daily one. Okay, let me show you daily one. This candle was in the formation. Okay guys, this candle was in formation. I told you guys that if this candle stayed above this area of 333 to 329, if this candle closes above this area, then we would be going in the upward direction. But if it fails to close above this area, then we would be going down to 312 to 309. And you see here, let me show you guys how perfectly it bounced off from this area. Just take a look at yourself, guys. Just take a look at yourselves. This is the power of supply and demand zone. Okay, I could have drawn the level at this area, but I have drawn the demand zone. This is the power of demand zone. Okay guys, so keep in mind, keep it in your mind that demand and supply areas are the most powerful areas. They are even powerful than the any indicator out there. Okay, so this is the most powerful indicator you can get. Now for right now, if we take a look at let me show you where was yeah, this one. This is called the stable coin supply ratio. Okay, Bitcoin stable coin, okay, supply ratio. It shows that he predicted 2 days ago on 6th July that another BTC bottom signal SSR has only dipped below the lower band during 2018 capulation, March 28, 2020 crash, September 2020, and now. So guys, right now we are in the phase here. If you can take a look at this one here, let me show you this one. You can see here, whenever we see this area, whenever it is below the lower band here SSR, then the price dips. Okay, you can go and check out this on the crypto quant. Also you can go to their website. Let me show you this one, another Glassnode. Okay, go to the Glassnode and take a look at the SSR, stable coin supply ratio. It's a good indicator. It shows you that the SSR is a ratio between the Bitcoin supply and the supply of stable coins dominated in the BTC. When the SSR is low, the current stable coin supply has more buying pressure to purchase BTC. It serves as a proxy for supply demand mechanism between the BTC and this one. And if we go and take a look at the definition here, it shows that in SSR words, if lower the value is meaning potential bullish sentiment, if higher the value is meaning potential bearish sentiment and sideways sentiment. So you can check out these two websites on your own and you can get the idea. Now come to the point. If I show you the Bitcoin price here, this is the Bitcoin chart. Okay, you can see here it bounced off from this demand zone here. You can see this is the area I have already drawn many days ago. I have not drawn this today. Any levels drawn here on this chart, I drew that few days ago, maybe weeks ago. And you can see here it has respected this area. Okay, now the question is, what is the next move of BTC? That is the main concern, guys. If we take a look at this chart, I have told you multiple times. Let me draw this one here. Let me show you here, this one. Okay, this is the area. Let me turn it off. You can see, what do you see here, guys? What is this area called? This is called the consolidation phase. You say the ranging, the market is ranging. It is not moving in one direction, it is moving in sideways. It is not breaking this area, neither going down. It is fluctuating between the 42 to 30 since 19th of May. You can see 19th of May 2021. So what is the next scenario, guys? This is very important question. You can't buy anything. Only you can do is you can do the scalping during these days. of consolidation and the ranging market. You can see we tested. Let me show you this one. Okay, let me show you this one. We tested this area, got rejected first time. Okay, actually this was the first time we tested, got rejected. Second candle, it came here and it came to the swing high and came, after that it went down. Next candle here at this area, it came and tested the previous swing high candle here. You can see how perfectly it bounced off, and the previous candle tested this area of swing high. Okay, now what happened next? Let me show you this one. This candle tested this swing high again. You can see the correlation, guys. You can see how it is, testing the areas. This is the power of, swing high candles. This was the swing high candle, this was the swing high candle. Okay, this not was a swing high candle, but it was the swing high after the dump. So you can see three candles testing the previous swing highs. Okay, you can see previous swing highs. What happened here? The price came up here at this area and tested this swing high candle again here at this area. You can see at this area, and then what happened? We got another rejection from here, triple rejection. We got 1 2 3 4 times it tried to break this area, this region of 40,000, 38,000, but failed to break. So we got 4 times rejection from this area, 4 times. And once we got 4 rejections on the upside, surely it shows whenever we have a double top, we get a strong crash. But when we have 4 times, it got rejected, surely we are going down here. So what happened on the fourth attempt? It went down sharply here. You can see it went down to 27,000, 28,000 approximately. Why? Because on the fourth attempt, we got rejection on the fourth attempt. So it was so powerful rejection that whenever you got 2 rejections, we got dump, we got 3 rejections, we got dump. But on the fourth rejection, it dumped hard. Okay, you got the point what I'm talking about? So what happened after that? You see here the price tend to regain the area, but failed. Here it tested this area. You can see this was a swing high candle, and it tested this swing low candles here at this area. See, it tested this area, this swing high candle, this swing low candles. Then again price came down, tested here, again price came up, again tested this area. So now again tested this area. So now what is the current scenario? If we take a look, this is the swing low candles. Just keep an eye on these two candles. Okay, these two candles, you see rejection, 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 rejections. So what do you see? We got multiple rejections again, 1 2 3 4 5. Now guys, this is the fifth time. So what do you see? You think that we got so many rejections again at this area, so for sure the price has to come down, and it came down here. So next up is we might see another rejection down to 30,000. Okay, we might see another rejection on the downside because of this large engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle. Let me tell you this one, I'm talking about these candles. Keep an eye on this one and this one. Okay, these two candles, and you see the behavior of the candles. Let me draw the line here. You see here what it shows you. Let me tell you this one from this angle as well, from this area. Yeah, this one. Okay, just keep an eye on these two. Now this, mind you guys, this is the analysis I'm teaching you as well, educating you as well, so you guys can understand how the price behaves without applying any indicator. Okay, so if I go here, you can check, this was a swing low candle, this was a swing low candle. Okay, and how price reacted to it? Rejection, 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 rejection. And what happened? Price came down. Okay, and if we take a look at the downside now, let's mark out the downside candles. Okay, we got this area 1, we got this area 2, we got this area 3, we got this area 4. Okay, and it also include as well. So if we take a look from this area, You can see here we got multiple areas here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now next up, what I think is we might be going down to this area, this one, 31,000, approximately 31,000. That's what I think. I can be wrong, but this is what the behavior of these candles is showing, that we might be going down to 31,000 anytime soon, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. But in case, let me show you, in case if the volume increases on the upside, we're not gonna see this area. Yeah, we can see this area to get retested 33,000, and from there it can went down to 31,000. That's how it can go. What I say, this is the large engulfing candle. We have broken this area of resistance. The price is gonna bounce off from here 33,000, and then we're gonna see another fall to 31,000. Might be yeah, this area, from this area to this area. Okay, so that's how I think the price is gonna behave until and unless we break out from these consolidation areas. You can see here this triangle, this rectangle zone is telling us the you can see here, this is the rectangle zone, and the rectangle is the consolidation zone, the ranging market. Okay, and we need to break out, from this area, otherwise we would be going in the we might be consolidate till 1st of August, like this one. The price is gonna move in between, and from there we can see a move on the upside, but that's not a granted. That's my assumption. But right now, short-term analysis is that we would be going down to 31,000 anytime soon. I have already predicted that the price is gonna go to 28,000, and it did here at this candle. But on the upside, if we take a look, we got multiple rejections, although it makes the this area weaker, but with the low volume it is not a weaker. Okay, we need to make it weaker with a strong volume. If it if we have a strong buying volume, then we can break this area. Now on the upside, we have this as a resistance, this one. Okay, 36,000. Okay, if we break above 36,000, any candle going above 36,000 anytime soon, then we would be testing the area of this one. We would be testing 40,000. Okay, 40,000, or this area as well, 39,000, you can see. But right now the main thing is, now 33,240 is our resistance, 31,000 is our support, and we are in between that. So try to stay away from putting in any orders. Yes, you can place your buy orders accordingly. We can see more dump coming. Yeah, we can also see that the price is gonna move up to get to retest at the 33,240, and from there we can see another fall to the 31,000. So this is my prediction, guys. I have described, I have elaborated everything, tried my best to show you what is the current scenario with the help of what I know. Okay, with the help of support and resistance, supply and demand zone. So now after this video, I'm gonna make some more videos on the different altcoins. So if you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section. And that is over and out from my side, Crypto Global 100.